Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ford Fusion door code. Press any key to wake the keypad, enter the 5-digit factory code, and press 1-2 to unlock all doors. If the code doesn't work, try the owner manual or contact a dealer for your specific vehicle code. Keep the code private and store it securely, and practice entering it calmly to avoid lockout situations while you're on the go. Programming a personal code is easy and fast on the Ford Fusion. Start by entering the factory code, then press and hold 1-2 until the keypad flashes, which signals programming mode. Enter your desired 5-digit personal code, then press 1-2 to save it. The keypad will flash to confirm. Always test the new code multiple times with the door closed to ensure reliable entry and avoid accidental lockouts later. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: consider leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy lunches and safe snacks while you handle car errands. They seal tight and save messes. I find them handy when working on long projects or waiting at the dealer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your Ford Fusion keypad acts up, first check and replace the keypad batteries to restore responsiveness. Use the factory code to reset and reprogram a new personal code if the previous one fails. Be mindful of repeated failed attempts, which can temporarily disable the keypad. Carry a backup key or use the key fob when possible. Regularly test your code and replace batteries proactively to prevent being locked out unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.